Hello, hello, my beautiful people. Coach Gaby here today with an awesome workout for toning your bat wings or triceps, all right? So let's get into it. 30 seconds on the clock. Starting with our first exercise, we have arm swings. All right, we're gonna go up and down. Now here you really wanna pay attention to control and your rib cage. So controlling your arm movement, not opening up like this, all right? Zipping up your rib cage, tucking in your butt, tucking in your stomach, all right? And never opening too much, all right? That's where you're gonna really feel it in your arms. Control, stop here. Here, squeeze, all right? Very good. Breathing, little bend in your knees, don't lock those knees, very good. Proud chest, long, elegant neck, and 3, 2, 1, and shake it out, very good. Next, we have tricep kickbacks, all right? So, arms come down here to your side, all right, and we're gonna kick them back. All right, coming back down and continuously, all right? Again, control here, they're not just, swinging forward and swinging backwards. Nice, strong arms, bend the knees, all right? Go back and then come down, all right? If you wanna do a little squat with this, a little extra something, you could also come here and straight, bend. So you can also, mix it up with a different move if you like it like that. If not, go ahead, keep it simple. Just focus on those arms. Very good. Nice strong core in 3, 2, 1, and shake it out. Very good. Next we have our monkey pumps. Alrighty, so arms out to your side. Your biceps are parallel to the floor, all right? Nice 90-degree angle. All right, we're gonna come in, palms face each other, squeeze your chest, open, up, and repeat. Squeeze, 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 all right? Every position you hit is with intention, all right? And you're really, really working those muscles just by controlling your movement. And 3, 2, 1, squeeze, 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 and release. Very good. Last but not least, we have tricep kickback pulses. All right, so what we were doing before, except 30 seconds on the clock. All right, except your arms stay behind you the entire time, and you're gonna pulse it here, pulsing it backwards. All right. Make sure you're pushing your shoulders away from your ears, all right? We don't wanna be scrunched like this, all right? Roll those shoulders back, long, elegant neck, very good. And just pulsing backwards, very good. Strong core, entire body's engaged. Breathing. Woo, feel the burn, baby. And 3, 2, 1, and come down, woo! Set 1, done, dusted. I already feel it, you should be too. We're gonna take a second, we're gonna grab some water, and then we're gonna do it again in set 2. Alrighty, set 2, starting with our arm swings. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1, very good. Shake it out. Tricep kickbacks. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Monkey pumps. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Very good. Shake it out. Finishing strong with tricep kickback pulses. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Stretch it out. Grab some water, and then we're going to crush set number 3. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Tricep kickbacks. Let's get it. And 3, 2, 1. Very good. Shake it out. Monkey pumps. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Very good. Shake it out. Finishing strong with tricep kickback pulses. Let's go. And 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, 3 sets done and dusted. If you're ready for another one, go ahead, rewind, get to it. If not, check out our channel. If you haven't yet, click subscribe, click the bell. That lets you know when we post videos so you don't miss out on any of our amazing challenges, recipes, workouts, stretches, meditations. We have it all, and I hope to see you on the next one.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes, updated daily.